Yeah, yeah. For Kurt, a man of grit and grace, you built a life in this new place. From Germany, you brought your dreams, a powerful current, it truly seems. Rough around edges, that was your way, but a teddy bear you truly display. Always ready to lend a hand, the kindest soul throughout the land. Modest heart, though achievements grand, you made your mark in this treasured land. Oh, Kurt, your laughter rare and clear, echoes in our hearts year after year. A family man through thick and thin, you always knew how to begin. 60 years of love, a shining light. You made your dreams take flight. Kurt's restaurant, a legacy, still serving strong for all to see. 40 years, a milestone, bright from early morning till late at night. You lived your means with humble pride, made the most of what life supplied. Watching races, every F1 twist, a classic game show you couldn't resist. The lottery dream to be a rich man, always part of your future plan. Oh, Kurt, your laughter rare and clear, echoes in our hearts year after year. A family man through thick and thin, you always knew how to begin. 60 years of love, a shining light. You made your dreams take flight. Those Sunday dinners, a special meal, Sunday drives, mountains so real. Beach vacation, sun and sand, memories held in every hand, larger than life, the stories spun off color jokes, always the fun. Oh, Kurt, your laughter rare and clear, echoes in our hearts year after year. A family man through thick and thin, you always knew how to begin. 60 years of love, a shining light. You made your dreams take flight. Your spirit lives strong and true. Kurt will always remember you. Yeah.